Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel, Poverty Hill Adventures. My name is Brian and I'm glad you're here. Today's video is going to be a video in which we visit a old sawmill, an old sawmill that's been restored, and they have an open house today and we're going to go check it out. So through the magic of YouTube, I'd like to invite you all to join me. I hope you all enjoyed visiting the Red House Sawmill as much as I did. I mean, what a cool place. So until next time, everybody, take care. Thank you for joining me today. And remember to keep on trucking and believe in yourself even when no one else does.